bike, the Transalp, and just point out a couple of the added extras that I've put on so far. So feature number one, we went with the royal quick shifter. Absolutely essential. Well, it's not, but nifty bit of kit. As I've said before, I had it on the Hornet. On this one, it does feel a lot smoother at lower speeds compared with the Hornet, which is nice. I don't tend to use it on the downshifts like I did on the Hornet. Maybe that's because I'm just generally not riding it as quick as I did the Hornet. I don't know. So that's the quick shifter. This was part of the pack. I can't remember which pack, to be fair, but it was one of them anyway. You can get all of these bits and bobs individually. The hand guards, just to try and keep a bit of the wind off, not because I go off-roading. Something else which I felt was an absolute must was the centre stand. So many bikes these days don't come with one, and it's just really handy for chain maintenance, and if you ever need to take the back tyre, and just for cleaning the wheels, you know, stuff like that. It makes a huge difference. So I had to have one of those. Heated grips, as I've said before, absolute essential in my book, heated grips. When I had them on the W800, first of all, having never used them before, I fell in love with them straight away, to be honest. So heated grips essential in my book. Now the latest edition, which was ordered as part of the pack, were the crash bars, spot lamps, radiator grille guard, which all comes as part of the pack. So these were added during the first service. I'm waiting on the actual lower engine crash bars to come. I just assumed there was a bit of a mix-up in communication, and so I'm still waiting on those to come. Now I've also fitted this thing. I don't know how effective it will be over time, but it's obviously a tyre pressure gauge fitted here. Obviously one on the back. It was a bit of a sod to find somewhere to actually put it. It wasn't in the way. So I think that's all the extra bits and bobs. Now I might get a different screen for it at some point. Still thinking about that one. Obviously I had the panniers. You've seen those briefly. Haven't got them on today. Didn't go for the top box, in my opinion. It's just, I don't know. I don't like the look of top boxes, although they are extremely handy. Might get one at some point. Saves putting the panniers on all the time, but I'll see how that goes. So that's a quick look round the bits and bobs I've had fitted thus far.